Go back with Lila, hurry. We are in front of Ford's Theater for the big snow of 2014, and I'm freezing. That's the house where Lincoln died. The Lincoln Center. And we're here because there's tons of snow right here. And Lila and Camilla are having a snowball fight. Someone's gonna start to cry, I can tell. It's all fun and games until someone starts to cry. Oh, and here comes one of the biggest snow. Oh no, now Lila's gonna try to pick up that thing. Oh. Whatever you do, don't get mommy. Whatever you do not get mommy. With snow. Oh, I said whatever you do not get mommy.
You're not getting Camilla. Okay.
Ah! Don't do it to my face, okay? My body, but not the face. I really don't want to be that cold. Don't go on the stairs, please, Camilla, in case. Ah! Not my face and not the phone. Just. Get it. Oh no, I'm scared. Ah!
This is the best snowball.
Ah! That's where are you guys coming with these huge snowballs? Don't do my face. Okay, one more minute, girls. It's really time to go. Oh no. Ah! No, really. Ah! Where are you guys coming with these huge snowballs? Yeah, but how are they so huge? Oh, not my face! Just my jacket, not my face, seriously. Oh. Okay, we're leaving, Camilla. Come on. Lila's cold. Whoever's cold, we need to go home. Don't run. Come on, Camilla. Lila, wait. Camilla, let's go now. Come on. Don't run. Just walk. Just walk, please. Walk. Girls, walk. It's going to be slippery there. Of course, this was plowed, but Camilla needs to walk through the snow. Or you can walk here, or you can walk there. Here. Lila, out of the street. Here or there. Come on, hurry. Here or there. Come on, Lila's cold, honey. Come on. Hurry, come on.